going to demo the emulsifying sugar scrub. A lot of people have been asking me what's the difference between this and a regular scrub. Well, for one, what I love about emulsified scrubs are they're super thick. Like I'm sitting here shaking it and it's not coming out at all, so it's super thick. I love that quality because regular scrubs are just a carrier oil and an exfoliant, so it's a little greasy and a little messy if it's tipped over. I'm really guilty of that. I do that a lot. Like, especially I have pets, so they always kind of follow me into the bathroom or something and end up knocking over my stuff. So I've had points where jars have cracked, lids have cracked either by the pets or by me, and they're just all over the place. So that's why I really love making this. It was actually an answer for my problems because I'm a klutz. But I wanted to do more than just be a scrub. This is actually a soap, a lotion, and a scrub. So you get like 3 things in one. Like I said, it's super thick. This is the sugar. They also make a salt one. But, like, see? You can't get better than that. Especially if you have kids or pets. Put this one aside because that's my personal one. Because I'm out and I need another one. But, I just finished making a really big batch. And I have 3 left over. So I'm giving 2 in a basket that I'm doing for a charity event. And I'm keeping 1 for myself. Because I actually was requested to have a Coco Mademoiselle fragrance to this one. So it's really good. So you just need a tiny bit. Like, this is actually probably way too much. But I wanted it for demonstration purposes. As you can see, like, I'm pretty sure if I can shake, like, hard as I can, it probably will come off. But just for shaking as normal, hard as I would, it's not going anywhere. So that's a plus for me. Because it really clings to your skin. It'll help, exfoliate the skin as well as the lotion part of it sinking in deep into your skin, really softening up your hands or wherever you're using it, softening up the skin, which is really good. I use these twice a week, but depending on your skin type, your climate, and all that, you may want to do maybe twice a week. Maybe you can get away with it once a week, but a little bit. And this big old, we get in the frame. This big old thing is going to last you a while. So let me go ahead and demonstrate how to use it. Kind of get it between your hands, or you can go straight on the skin if you want to do it dry, but I like to use it a little bit wet to kind of really get it, and then it activates the soap part. Just kind of rub it in there. You can see, just rub it in. So my whole hand needs a lot of attention. Just make sure it's all scrubbed off good. Where's my towel? Ah, way over there. But dry myself off. And I can actually really feel a difference in my skin. Like, oh my god, it just feels so good. Even the palms. And I don't really have dry hands, dry cracky fingers, but I can also tell a difference with my fingers when I do this. But yes, I do really love this. It feels so good. And normally I go back with another moisturizer on top just to really sink in. This I'm going to go with my little pot of the butters, just to kind of put some on the back of my hands where I normally really get a lot of cracking, just from wear and tear and also hard water at work. But just look. I love it. I didn't have much of dry cracking or anything before, so it doesn't look any different from before, but you can really tell in the feel. It just feels so smooth. And like, this is super good because you can actually take it into the shower or the bath and it won't get any mold or anything in it, so that's good. And if you do use it in the water, it won't leave like your tub feeling greasy or anything because it's not just oils in here. It's oils, butters, and emulsifiers that just bring all that together with the water and the sugar and combines it, and the oils actually totally disappear. So I love it. It's wonderful. And this one is kind of, pardon, as you can see, it's kind of more of a green color. That's because I use avocado oil for this one because it was requested because they couldn't use sweet almond oil, which is the only oil I actually use in this. So I was actually kind of excited to see how avocado worked in it, but I find it works just as well as a sweet almond oil. So if you can't have sweet almond oil, I can always substitute with maybe coconut oil or avocado oil, grapeseed oil. If you prefer any of those oils, you can always message me after you placed your order and say, hey, I'm such and such, I ordered the emulsifier scrub. Instead of sweet almond oil, can I have whatever oil? And if I have used it and tested it and know it's going to work, I will say, yeah, we can go ahead and do that. But if you're not sure, just go ahead and message me before you place an order and we'll be able to sort something out. So definitely, if you want a good emulsifying scrub or just a scrub in general that is generally mess-free, this is the one to go by. It is a little bit more pricier, but I find just for the fact that you get so much and you use so little at a time, it really is worth it. Pardon me. Ooh. Sorry, I keep having a little tickle going on. It's kind of annoying me. But yes, it is worth it. When I've used mine, I actually used it from start to finish. I think it was in about 8 months because I use it twice a day. Not twice a day, but twice a week. Sometimes I end up using it 3 times a week, depending on how much I wash my hands at work and the moisturizers I use. So about 8 months for one jar, I find is definitely a great buy. So definitely check this out. I will have, I keep going out of frame, sorry. I will have this at MechaCon. I will have the sugar scrub as well as the salt scrub. So yeah, be there. You can check it out. Check it out on the website. I made this demo for y'all to see. So, and also got to upload another video that I did on how I make my mold. So I'm going to go ahead and go do that. So bye guys.